just made it to the drift event. I'm gonna go one session without the GoPro, and I'll put the GoPro on. I don't know if I'm yelling right now. Cars are super loud. Just got my spares on, past tech. So yeah, we're gonna film a lot of cars, and hopefully have fun, and nothing breaks. Yeah.
How you feeling?
Bro, this track is so sick. This diff, I love this diff ratio. These tires, I could probably go to a little bit bigger tires, but I'm having fun and the car's doing so good so far, and I'm hoping that it just keeps on running well.
On my own, no fixer. I'm gon' ball, no picker. That I 8 doors, they live for. Talking on my back, go figure. Whole team eats fun splitter. Never was the one to go flicker. No face, no case, no picture. For place, big stakes, my dinner. Flip that, Canal Street, flip bags. Last week, old money. This week, new rack.
Ain't nobody running a hood today.
New rack, never buy none more. If I can't afford the gift wrap, stunning in your foreign car. You keep riding rental tags. Heard you roll the gasoline, we are not the same. Couple thousand in my pocket, this pocket chick. Rubber bands on my arm, this is not for play. I put 20 on the crib, while you cop a chain. I know they hated or love it. You know I love when they hate it. Last year was living basic. Nah. Haters on the other side. 3 up You cannot swim with your chains on. I can see none with the lights off. Cap, you been the main one. Coolin' when I got my mains on. Show money, but those aren't the same ones. I been told you that it was game on. Been winning since I was on game one. Telling me how to live like you made me. Going dumb and I blame you made me. Money longer than a grown-up baby. Scat crazy in a new Mercedes. Thinking that's 550. 5 seats, 50 kids in there. Prime steak on my dinner plate. Nike tech for the dinner wear. Flex up, never playing dress up. Never gonna let up. Never ever ever set up. Play on my fam, get wet up. Go, 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 won't let up. Never ever ever haters on the other side. 3 up, read between the lines. Know I got some angels with me. Made it through some evil time. Late night on some demon time. Pour the Sprite, I need a line. I can't lie, can't see the line. Freeze time.
Trying to cool her down. Had a little bit of a wait out here on the track, but it's back hot. That sounded so head ass, but yeah, they're back on. People back driving. Yeah, that was a crash. Basically, we couldn't drive until the ambulance got back here, just in case of another accident. But I got one more session, so we're gonna hop in just one last time. I'm gonna take the GoPro with me again. So yeah. Oh, nice. No way.
Eu não sabia a cor que você queria nem o tamanho.
Eu queria essa cor. These are sick. Lap of the session. Kind of feel like my car hops around a lot too. No idea what it is. That wraps it up for this video, guys. Event was super sick. Shout out iTrack if you guys watched this Bridge Moto. You guys put on hell of an event. Yeah, the car ran so good. I was so happy with the track layout, the diff, the wheels, the size, everything, the tires. I only went through one set of tires and I didn't even really go all the way through them. But the car ran perfect. Nothing happened. Hopefully nothing's broken. But yeah, we're about to send it home. And if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Friday.